Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, and welcome to School of Gold. Today we are going to do Mr. Gold's quiz. So, write down on a piece of paper the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 down the page. And if you are on a computer, iPad, or mobile phone, after each question, make sure you pause the computer, iPad, or phone to give you enough time to work out the answer. I'm going to say the question and then I will say the answer, but I'll make sure I give enough time for you to write the answers down. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. Question 1. Name 3 different types of instruments. Now, you are writing the classification, not the instrument. For example, guitar is an instrument, but it's not the classification. Question 1. Name 3 types of classifications of instruments. Question 2. Actually, you know what? I will say the answers after each one. 3 classifications of instruments is strings, percussions, woodwind. There are lots more. Question 2. 2 countries in Africa, the continent. Pause your computer. The answer, there are so many different types of countries in Africa. If you wrote South Africa, you would be correct. If you wrote Zimbabwe, you will be correct. There are lots of different types of countries in Africa. Question 3. Name 3 different countries that start with P. 3 different countries that start with P. If you wrote Paris, you would be incorrect. Paris is a city in France. France is the country. 3 different countries could be Peru, Pakistan, Paraguay. Lots of different countries that start with P around the world. Question 4. 3 different oceans that surround Australia. I wonder if you know 3 different oceans that surround Australia. Pause your computer. And the answer is, you have got Pacific Ocean on the eastern side of Australia. You have got the Indian Ocean outside the western side of Australia next to Perth. And you've got the Southern Ocean in between Antarctica and Tasmania. Question 5. 2 famous Australian sportsmen or women who are in the Olympics. I wonder if you know. We have got Ian Thorpe, Grant Hackett, Dawn Fraser. There are so many. You got Kathy Freeman. They're all famous Australians who have actually changed Australia in a positive way. Question 6. This is an addition using big numbers. Are you ready? 15,481 plus 8,012. All right, here we go. I wonder if you can see. 1 plus 2 is 3. 8 plus 1 is 9. 4 plus 0 is 4. 5 plus 8 is 13. Put the 3, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So the answer is 23,493. Question 7. Name 3 different types of nuts. Now there's so many different types of nuts. And pop quiz before I give you the answer. If you are allergic to nuts and have a severe allergic reaction, that allergic reaction is called an anaphylactic shock. Very, very dangerous. But the question is 3 different types of nuts. The answer could be peanuts, It could be macadamia nuts. It could also be cashew nuts, which is one of my favorite types of nuts. Lots of different types of nuts. If you have a different answer, Google and see you are right. Question 8. 1.7 kilometers is how many meters? 1.7 kilometers is how many meters? Times the answer by 1,000 because there's 1,000 meters. The answer would be 1,700 meters to get the answer correct. Now, 51. Is that number divisible by 3? 51. Is that number divisible by 3? I can see some of my viewers going 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. That is a good way of doing it, but there's a much quicker way to do it. You can work it out as a sum, 51 divided by 3, or add up the 2 digits. 51, 5 and 1 equals 6. 3 goes into 6 2 times, which proves that 51 is the answer. Yes, it is divisible by 3. All right. Also, 81, for example, 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 divided by 3 goes 3 times. So that's how you can go bigger and bigger and bigger to make sure the answer is divisible by 3. Question 10. 10 million. How many zeros? 10 million. Now, 1 million has 6 zeros. 10 million, add an extra 0, which would be 7 zeros. I wonder how you went. Boys and girls, thank you for tuning in. And feel free to log on to all my other School of Gold videos. Take care and bye for now.